I'm gonna eat my fill, head outside. Poblado, alright? Should be alright, but still Colombia. And people still looking for gringos, alright? So, let's do this. We're gonna go to Sweet George's Cafe. 5-minute walk from here. 5 minutes seems like a hell of a long time, but let's do this, alright? Oh, there we go. Okay. Mask. Dang, phone is visible. Where am I gonna put this? Put that right here. Okay. 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 Should be good. Freaking phone is poking out. I don't like that. Let's get it. Okay. Let's get it. Make sure I got a waypoint. Voila. We're going to Sweet Georgia. Alright, so mapping out my direction from here. So I go straight. Go straight. Diagonal straight. Alright, I got this.
Hey, bro.
What's up, bro? All good?
Hey.
All right. I'm already feeling the car. I think, give me 1 second. Watch, wrong way. This way. Okay, I need to go diagonal. Hold on. Give me 1 second. I need to map out my ride. Map out my location. Let me see something here. I think it's up here. Freak. You sure this is the location? Sharp right. Watch. lost. The longer I'm out here, the less confident I'm feeling. I hope that's it coming up, bro. I just need to check my phone. I hope I'm at the right spot. I think this is it. Hell's yeah, I found it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Cool. There's nobody here. Alright, cool. This is the spot. What's going on, brothers? It's good to see other brothers, man. Yo, bro, man. I'm Nate. Nice to meet you, man. Yo, you about to head out? Yo, man. I had to come over here, man. I feel like this is like the unofficial, official emissary for all gringos. You know what I'm saying? We all gotta come over here. Oh, man. Coming up. Hey. Oh, man, that looks so good. And my grits over there too. Muchas gracias. Oh, sweat. Look at that, man. We got ourselves some. Oh, I need syrup. So we got ourselves some French toast. French toast. I had eggs yesterday. I ain't want too much eggs. Some vegetables, some home fries, and grits. You know what I'm saying? I'm a happy nigga. I'm real happy right now. Yeah, let's get it. Yo, Colombia has gotten flack because of not having great tasting food, but eating dinner over here was popping, son. Yo, the steak tacos were mad good. The oxtail was on point. The mac and cheese and grits tasted like just back home. I tell you, man, if you're in Colombia and you miss American food, definitely check out Sweet George's.